To the lunch pack. My name is Rixel and you're watching Uganda Catholic Television. I want to appreciate everyone that is actually watching this every time. You're doing such a great job. Thank you so much for always tuning in. It's still a new year. We still greet Happy New Year. So I should actually say Happy New Year.
Happy New Year to you.
I last saw you last year.
Last year.
Yeah, it seems far but very close.
New year, new me.
A new energy. But the problem, people have New Year, new me in the first weeks. Then after like 2 weeks, we get back to the old me. Again, somebody gets back to August of 2025.
Which is terrible. I mean, if you have your resolutions, I feel like you should actually follow up and see them through.
Okay.
Yes.
I get. Anyway, welcome to the show. The Lunch Vibe. Actually, you are the second guest I've had this year. Yes, and very interesting to have you again right here on Uganda Catholic Television.
The pleasure is all mine.
Yeah, how has it started so far?
The year has actually been amazing. Of course, we started off strong and big. We had church.
Okay.
And that went really amazing. That was a good start. Okay. I would encourage anyone to start your year with worshiping and thanking the Lord for the previous year and praying for the year that comes ahead. So far, so good. Everything has been going on so well. And yeah, that's been it on my end. Maybe your
personal
side.
On your side, what do you think last year, your resolutions that you made in 2024 for 2025, at what percentage did you achieve some of them?
About 75%. It was actually, 2025 was a very good year for me, I should say. Probably one of my best years.
I know.
Yes.
Okay. I get, what do you think sometimes affects us from hindering some of these resolutions?
Honestly, personally, I'm a person of vision boards. Before I start, I always have my vision board and I try and envision what I want my next year to be. Now, many people, I tend to believe many people don't take time to actually pay attention, to sit down, note those things down and actually plan. And also people tend to forget God. What I would tell people to do, just always have a vision board for your next year. And then once you have a vision board for next year, put everything before the Lord and trust me, you won't regret it. Personally, it worked for me really well, the year of 2025, and I believe even 2026 is going to be even a better year for me.
Is it possible to start re-strategizing yourself to focus on the resolutions probably after 6 months of elapsed?
Honestly speaking, yeah, it's never too late, but why wait for 6 months to elapse? Yet we're still in January, so I believe everyone still has the time. Sit down, do your vision boards, pray to God, and lock in, focus.
Okay.
That's all I can tell you, yes.
What's your view on the political wave that is actually now we're around the corner to the general elections?
On that particular part, I just wish we're all safe.
Okay.
I pray the elections go on smoothly. And
are you gonna vote?
Obviously.
Where do you vote from?
Ambara.
Oh, yes, are you traveling to Ambara?
I'm traveling all the way.
Okay, that's a good one.
Yes,
Patriotic citizen.
Yes.
Okay, so welcome to the show. I'm actually right here with Allan, and I had him actually last year, like I said earlier on. And once again, I'm very glad to actually have him. He's executive, that is marketing and digital personnel in Indomie, Uganda. Yes. The #1 dealers of the I should say high-class noodles.
Uganda's best loved noodles. Actually, that is our motto. Indomie, Uganda's best loved noodles. And we pride ourselves because we know we are the best in the market.
Okay.
Not just in Uganda, but globally. Wherever you go, Indomie is always the best.
By the way, what is the target of Indomie this year, 2026?
That is
the biggest target, before even we talk much about it.
I would want to share that information, but I don't think I'm at liberty to actually give that information.
Okay,
that is private stuff. But all I can say is, when we look at strategies, we plan to deliver, and we plan for all our products to be available everywhere in Uganda. That is one of our biggest strategies for this year.
Yeah,
that was a big country, Gulu, Lira, Padir, anywhere you go, Kalangala,
as far as they do,
you will find our product everywhere. So that's one of our biggest strategies for the year of 2026. We want Indomie to be at your disposal. We actually want Indomie to turn into a staple food for the local people, just like they turned rice into, food.
Yeah, that is true.
We also want Indomie to be part of that package come the year 2026.
Wow, that is a good one. For those probably who don't know about Indomie, you might be going to the supermarket, so maybe nearby shops, you'll be like, give me noodles, they carry for something like this, but you'll be not critical that this is actually Indomie.
Yes.
Uganda, and these are like actually, I should say, like you said, the #1 best noodles.
Uganda's best love noodles. Okay. If you were to actually ask right now, which other noodles brand anyone knows. Trust me, they only know this.
To be very honest, not hyping you. I don't know any other brand. Personally, I don't know any other brand apart from Indomie. Seriously.
And that is because we have actually put in the time, and then also our products are really nice.
Okay.
If you've tested Indomie Instant Noodles and tested other brands, not other brands are not nice, but we really take time in preparing our noodles, and that's why we have been branded as the country's best. Last year we won awards. East African Brand Quality Award.
That is true.
We won very many awards as of last year, and we even know 2026 we are going to come and collect the whole lot as well. Yes.
Okay.
And it's all thanks to you, our customers, that have been supporting us throughout the years.
So maybe for the person who's hearing this for the first time, maybe give us a brief about what are the Indomie noodles.
So Indomie Instant Noodles are your go-to meal that you can have anytime, any day on the go. Our noodles are made out of wheat and vegetable oil. When I say wheat,
flour,
locally known as ngano.
Oh, yes.
So if you're out there and you're always asking yourself, what are noodles made of? These noodles are made out of wheat flour and vegetable oil. They come pre-cooked, meaning you can actually munch on them as a snack. And they can be prepared in just 3 minutes, and you have a full meal that is ready to be eaten and ready to go.
Okay.
So that is pretty much it in a nutshell.
Okay.
Yes.
Are they in flavors?
Yes. So currently, Indomie Uganda has 4 flavors on the market. We have our cash cow, or our biggest seller on the market, which is this, the chicken flavor. It's yellow, the yellow pack that you'll find in the supermarket.
Okay.
Then we have our second biggest seller.
This is the...
Yeah, this is the one Rixel is holding.
The
beef.
The beef, actually, the beef flavor.
Then we have, for those people that do not eat meat, are vegetarians. We also have you covered. We have the Super Mojo flavor, also known as the vegetable flavor. And then as of last year, we also came up with a new flavor. We are pro affordability. So as of 2025, we introduced the 70-gram Super Me flavor, also known as a vegetable flavor. But this one is cheaper, and it comes at 70 grams. This one's, at 50 grams.
This one is
70 grams.
Okay.
Yes. So this one of 50 grams goes for as low as 700 shillings.
Oh.
So at only 700 Ugandan shillings, you can have a fully prepared meal.
Okay.
Yes. So those are the 4 flavors that we currently have on the market.
Okay.
Yes.
So in case somebody gets this for the first time, maybe they've never seen it anywhere, how can somebody prepare this to the meal on the plate?
We have made our noodles very easy to prepare. Our noodles just have 4 steps of preparation. So step number 1, if let's say you are going to prepare this chicken, our 70-gram pack, it's very simple. All you need is just 1.5 glass of water.
Okay.
You pour it in a saucepan. You light your charcoal stove. You light your gas, or if you're using the wood, you light that up as well. Put your 1.5 glass of water in a saucepan. Let the water boil. Once it's ready, you open your 70-gram pack. Inside, you'll find 2 things. You'll find the noodle block, and then this is what the noodle block. Please don't forget to wash your hands. You'll find the noodle block. This is what the noodle block looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. And then you'll also find the spices, also known as the bumbu sauce.
Okay.
Now the bumbu sauce is the flavor. Okay.
Okay.
So the bumbu sauce is the flavor. Yes, you can munch on that.
You can actually have this as raw as this.
As raw as that.
Okay.
And munch on it. Yes. So the bumbu sauce, on the bigger side, that's where the chicken spices are. On the smaller side, it actually shows you chili and bumbu sauce. It's actually written on. So if you're a person of chili, you can clear the chili side. If you're only a person of, you don't love your chili, you just love the flavor, you can open the, it's very easy, just
the bigger side?
Yes, the bigger side, pour it in. So you get the noodle block.
You first pour it in the water before dropping this, right?
No, you first put the block.
Then you pour.
Then you pour the spices.
Okay.
Then you stir. Then you cover for 3 minutes, and then you serve, and it's ready to be eaten. I will please remind you this. So I've seen many times people come to our stall and they're like, your noodles taste more tastier than when I prepare them at home. Why is that? Many people tend to pour out the water, and our noodles are water based. You're not supposed to pour that water out.
The water is where the real flavor is.
So yes, eat those noodles with that water, with the sauce, and it will be delicious. Trust me, you will taste the difference.
Wow.
So yes, that is pretty much it. 4 easy steps of preparing Indomie Instant Noodles.
Oh, that's amazing. So where can somebody get this?
So our noodles, we have made sure they're available everywhere across the country. So starting from here, CBD in Kampala, you can go to any duka outside your home, Chikubo, all the supermarkets in Kampala, all the shops, all the wholesale shops have Indomie Instant Noodles. Our box goes for 33,000, and this 5-in-1 pack goes for 5,000, and then this 70 gram goes for as low as 1,000 Ugandan shillings. Like I've said, our target is affordability. We want anyone who is out there and you're broke, you're hungry, you're a campus student, you don't have what to eat, just look for Indomie Instant Noodles. You have a whole meal in just this one pack at as low as 1,000 Ugandan shillings.
In only 3 minutes.
Our newest flavor, the Super Me, goes for as low as 700 shillings. So
wow,
yes.
wow. That is good. So in case somebody wants to get in touch with you, maybe to supply or maybe to give you the feedback, maybe where with the numbers or maybe social media handles they can actually reach on to.
Okay, so if you're out there and you want to contact us, we have our social media platforms that are always running. We have campaigns that are running. We have promotions that are running on our social media pages. Please reach out to us on Indomie Uganda on Instagram, Indomie Uganda on TikTok, Indomie Uganda on X, Indomie Uganda on YouTube. Please like, follow, subscribe, and we have different campaigns that we're always running 24/7. You never know, you could be one of our lucky winners. And if you are a wholesaler out there and you want to get in direct contact with us, it's also very simple. We are located on Mulwana Street, that is in industrial area. Dembe Distributors Limited, right next to Uganda Bati. I'll say it again. We are located on Mulwana Street, industrial area, Dembe Distributors Limited, right next to Uganda Bati. And if you're out there and you want to reach out to us, this is a number you can reach out us on, 0753 66 8835. If you're out there and you want to call us directly to place in an order, you have a supermarket, you have a shop, you're a wholesaler, and you want to reach out to us anywhere within Kampala or even up country, we do free delivery if you're buying in bulk. You just call us on 0753668835.
Wow.
Feel free to reach out to us. We love engaging with you and we love giving to our customers.
So in case probably you're watching the show right now and you've been wondering, like you're broke. You have only 2 subventions. Kindly, after the show, you can also run the nearest shop and grab yourself Indomie noodles. Have your meal as cheap as 1,000 shillings. As fast as 3 minutes. Yes, that is actually very nice. Thank you so much for such wonderful information, because usually sometimes to be like, give me noodles. So today there should actually be specific. Give me Indomie Instant Noodles. All right. Thank you so much, Alan. And I'm very sure we shall be in touch probably any other time. All right.
Please keep on UCTV. Indomie will be bringing big things here on UCTV, so please stay tuned. We're bringing big things here.
Thank you so much. You're welcome anytime. All right. At this very time, allow me release Alan, and of course, as we go for musical break, I'm just gonna be making some noodles. Because it's only 3 minutes, and then when we come back still with the show, it is the lunch hour. Thank you so much for passing through. Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
I wish you all the best 2026.
Thank you, sir.
And vote wisely. All right, let's go for this. We shall be back straight away after this musical break.